Okay, a small update, not so very good news. My bike has broken down. I think बैटरी का कुछ तो इशू है. तो फाइनल रिजॉर्ट ये निकला है कि वो टोइंग वैन भेज रहे हैं. थैंक गॉड आई टुक रोड साइड असिस्टेंस. टोइंग वाला बंदा अभी तक आया नहीं है. इट्स 8:30. कल आई डोंट नो कहाँ पहुँचूँगा मैं. आई एम वेरी tired of riding, tired of waiting. Good night, see you tomorrow, bye.
Tomorrow.
So I'm at this Bajaj showroom, BTV Bajaj. As expected, बैटरी का इशू निकला. चार्जिंग ठीक हो रहा है, so they are replacing the battery. So I'm heading out to have some breakfast on the streets of Chitradurg. पता नहीं यार why this happened all of a sudden. मे बी लॉकडाउन की वजह से बैटरी में इशू आ गया होगा, बट इट वुड हैव कम अर्लियर. एकदम से चलती हुई बाइक में बैटरी बंद पड़ना, इट्स वेरी सरप्राइजिंग टू मी. सो होपफुली अभी 10:20 हो गया मॉर्निंग और 11:30 तक भी बाइक ठीक होगी. सो 12 बजे आई कैन मार्च ऑन टू माई नेक्स्ट जर्नी. जो पूरी रोड है ना, यहाँ पे पूरे बाइक के शोरूम से. यहाँ पे सुजुकी का है, देन यू हैव रॉयल एनफील्ड हियर और होंडा का भी शोरूम है यहाँ पे. हाँ, टीवीएस का भी था पीछे, मैंने देखा. बाइक स्ट्रीट बोलते क्या. ऑल राइट, फाइनली back on track. Bike is running. Leaving from Chitradurga. Thank you everyone who checked on me yesterday after I posted few stories on Insta. Thanks a lot for your concerns, and thank you those petrol pump guys. They really helped me, and there was a language barrier between me and that RSA guy, so these petrol pump guys helped me out with the location. Also thanks to BTV Bajaj Chitradurg for prompt repair, getting the stuff done within couple of hours. It's right now 12:51, so एक almost बज चुका है और आज का मैं टारगेट कर रहा हूँ शेलम पहुँचने का. It's in Tamil Nadu. I don't know, 400 odd kilometers hai. It's showing 7 hours. I'm not sure why, but yeah, that's the destination for today. Oh, let me check the map because I'm not sure if I'm going in the right direction. Am I going? No, I have to go that side, I guess. Okay, I was going in the wrong direction. Free routing. Now it's showing good. So yeah, finally on the road. Happy. I am almost like 200 kilometers, not 200, more than that kilometers behind my original schedule, whatever you call it. But I'm just happy that I'm back on the road. I hope the rest of the journey won't be as hard as my first day has been. Wow, I was missing this since yesterday evening. Seriously, man. Good to be back on the road. Good to be back on the road. Let's head. So all these coconut shops Ooh. It's like I've seen 15-20 of them. Ooh, there are a lot of speed cameras that I've seen since I entered Karnataka. Like they have it on a regular intervals, plus they have, you know, police cars as well open from behind, because of which I cannot speed up. 80 is the limit. But it's safer in a way, but it sometimes messes with your expected schedules, like ETA. Yeah. स्पीड से डर नहीं लगता साहब, चालान से लगता है। नंगा बाली
कितना भरा दे।
सुबह से वही रिसाइड कर रहा हूँ। Oh my God. I've seen so many dog deaths on this route, man. Can't help it. God bless their souls. So this is apparently a toll road for bikers as well. Like I think the ticket that I've got is for Hosur Road. It started from I think 50 kilometers back, and I paid $80 for that. I don't know how much of kilometers that covers in $80, but toll for bikes. Hello. But the road is beautiful, I must say. The road is beautiful, scenic. There is some patchwork, but still, the road is beautiful. The best that I've ridden so far since yesterday. Good things about Karnataka highways is there is a dedicated two-wheeler lane. Even though stupid people like these park their cars, but they do have two-wheeler lane, and which is wide enough. Like I have seen one in Maharashtra, but that is like good for nothing. You can't ride on that width. But this one is, look at this one. एक two-wheeler आराम से जा सकती है. Okay, this is the end, I guess, of this highway. It was a beautiful highway, well maintained. Even the divider lawn is also well maintained. Don't take me from the city. दोनों सेम ही है. So after a few meters I need to take right. Oh. I entered Tamil Nadu or not, but the font seems to have changed. I am not an expert. I'm not sure as well, because there was a checkpost behind, 2 kilometers behind, which I just crossed. Tamil Nadu, yes, that's Tamil Nadu police. So we are officially entered. I told you, no, the fonts have changed. Like the writing has changed, not fonts. So the things that I've seen in Karnataka was not relatable here. That's how I see. I'm intelligent.
भाई साहब कुछ ज़्यादा नहीं हो गया ये? मतलब कुछ भी.
I've taken a break now. It's 5:30 in the evening. Entered Tamil Nadu. So there was a restaurant called Tadkam. Still 150 kilometers to go. If I get tired, I'll stop and book a hotel. But Shellam is what I'm trying today. Beautiful sunset happening at the back. It's 6 o'clock. अभी जस्ट मैं कॉफ़ी पी के निकला, थोड़ा खाया मैंने उस होटल पे. 6:07. I don't know if I'll be able to reach Shellam because अंधेरा पड़ रहा है अभी. I don't know कैमरा कितना जस्टिस कर रहा होगा, but it's getting dark now. एक कृष्णगिरी करके जगह है मिडवे. सो उसके बाद में कहीं अगर मुझे दिखता है तो प्लीज़ टू स्टे. प्रॉब्ली I'll spend a night over there. अभी still I think 130 kilometers to go for Shellam. So finally मैं स्टे के लिए रुक गया because it was dark. और धर्मपुरी करके जगह है एक 70 kilometers before Shellam. तो वहाँ पे अभी स्टे है. This is the room I've got. Not the fanciest one, but yeah, bigger than yesterday's. और ये कुछ मुझे around 900 पड़ा, लेकिन ठीक है. Just for a place to crash, I think it's enough. आज के लिए इतना ही. कल सुबह निकलूँगा मैं. कल का ऑब्वियसली डेस्टिनेशन रामेश्वरम रहेगा. अगर मैं जल्दी पहुंच गया तो फिर आई ट्राई टू विज़िट द टेम्पल. इफ़ नॉट सेकेंड डे फिर हम लोग पहले जाएंगे धनुषकोडी और उसके बाद रिटर्न आके विल विज़िट द टेम्पल. दैट्स व्हाट द प्लान इज़. राइडिंग ऑन दिस सिंगल लेन रोड सिंस लास्ट 40 kilometers. What a beautiful view.